What are you doing today?
We're gonna get some potatoes out.
And then put them in the raised beds? Okay, do you want me to take this out?
No.
Okay, put it on the side.
Let's put it on the side.
And then so it just should be very simple for you now.
Yes. We're gonna concentrate.
Yeah.
And
Just make it straight. Make it straight.
let's make it straight. You can take the root ball and
No,
plant some seedlings.
No, I don't think you need to do anything actually. Just,
you
can leave it like that.
You can.
Okay,
Let's take it out gently.
No, you don't need to.
Yeah.
So what you need to do now is
All you need to do.
get where's the green spatula where you can
Scooper.
scooper? Yeah, where is that?
Where's the scooper? Oh, here it is.
Careful with the.
Last time we started to play some games.
Yeah. So take this soil. No, leave that. Take this soil and put it on the side of it. This side. Not here. Not here. Yeah, this side. Make a big scoop of it.
Not small scoops.
Yeah.
Scooper might need. And then we're gonna take.
Okay, chalo, keep doing it.
Or. Bismillah.
Yeah.
अब
Then this side, I said.
अब अपनी soil put अब अपनी cover with soil गली है. And boy.
Chalo, put it here now.
There.
This side.
No. Koi.
Wait. Take this. Take this now.
Where does
Put
it
it here.
go now? Now it goes there.
Yeah. I think that's enough now, actually.
Let's go get some water.
Yeah, we'll get some water.
After planting water works. Plant water. अब अपनी plants water plants.
Water this one as well. Chalo, that's it now. That's it. Now, what do you need to say?
Khuda Hafiz.